Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. My name is Srikanth Reddypalli. I'm an IT infrastructure expert. I have worked on both cloud and data center technologies for quite some time. And this video is about the recent announcement by Google on their infrastructure investment, basically data center investment in India. So it seems like Google has chosen to invest the $6 billion for developing a data center, which is kind of surprising, especially in India. Generally, most of the data center investment go towards Mumbai, Hyderabad, or Chennai. So it's quite a surprise when Google has chosen Vishakapatnam to many, as Vishakapatnam is mostly known for, I would say, like for steel plants or shipyards. So this is a sudden a rise of Vizag, I would say, especially in the IT infrastructure space. And so, as someone in this sector, I know like what would have played towards Google to choose Vizag. So, I have written an article about it in LinkedIn. So, this video, like, I'll give you an high view of what could be the points. If you're looking for in detail, I would suggest you to go through this blog post. I'll share the link in the video description. So, I would straight away go into the important points generally. So, what matters for a data center and why Google might have chosen Vishakhapatnam. So the first thing is important is like global connectivity. So as you know, like today everything works on internet. So we should have high bandwidth cable connections, which are necessary and important uh, for um, for to get the like low latency bandwidth connections to the data center. And most of the generally the connections from the west coast get terminated at Mumbai for the data centers, and towards east coast I think within Vizag they are planning to develop three submarine cable landing stations, which is twice the capacity of Mumbai it seems. So this is definitely an strategic advantage for someone who would build a data center in Vizag. It gives seamless connectivity towards the Singapore region, and also entire like towards any other geographical locations towards the east of India. That is one thing. And the second point is obviously the energy. So data centers are power hungry, like in especially in case of AI and all the modern things, they consume energy like anything. In this case, in the $6 billion investment, Google would like to invest $2 billion in renewable energy. In this sector, especially Andhra is like this is a rising state in green energy. There are a lot of investments which are happening, which would again work in favor of Google and data center. And land and location, and this is something where government has definitely helped them in identifying the proper land, which is like safe from seismic and flood risk and close to urban infrastructure and well connected to logistics and airport. Vishakhapatnam has both seaport and airport. So these are definitely in favor. And skilled workforce and ecosystem. This is something which most of people know. Vishakapatnam is one of the like hub for all the engineering colleges. There are many people who are educated out of Vishakapatnam and they are like around the world. So they definitely like we produce more engineers there for the workforce, and obviously the government support, which is very necessary for any modern data center. So these are the I would say like five crucial points which might have led Google to choose for their investment in Vishakhapatnam. And as someone who has experience in this field, I would definitely suggest like any city or country, if they would like to become a go-to destination for data centers, these are the 5 points they should consider and definitely work on them. This would definitely help them to gain those investments. And as I mentioned, like if you're looking for detailed explanation, go read this blog post in LinkedIn and share your opinions. Thank you. Thanks everyone for seeing this video. Bye bye.